How to send an instant transfer with Bank of Ireland. So if you want to send an instant transfer with Bank of Ireland, then what you need to do is just follow these steps to ensure your transaction is secure and efficient. So the first step is log into your online banking. Access your Bank of Ireland online banking account using a secure login credentials. Ensure you are using a trusted device and a secured internet connection. Once you've logged in, the second step is to navigate to the transfer section. Locate the payments or transfer section in the main menu. This is where you can initiate a new transfer. The third step is to select instant transfer option. Choose the option for an instant transfer or fast payment. This option allows you to send money quickly to another bank account within the UK or Ireland. Fourth step is to enter recipient details. Input the recipient's bank account information, including their name, account number, and any sort of code. Double check all the details for accuracy to avoid any errors. The fifth step is to review the transfer details carefully. If everything is correct, proceed to authorize the transaction using your security method, such as one-time password or biometric verification. Always remember to keep your banking details secured and monitor your account for any unauthorized transactions. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.